a local homeowner turned to World of Doors to upgrade their garage door and opener. We removed the aging system and replaced it with premium, insulated, long-panel doors in the Accent Woodtone Walnut finish, each featuring a plain glass top section built for strength, quiet operation, and curb appeal. The old doors and tracks were carefully dismantled and hauled away. We installed heavy-duty tracks and reinforced hardware, sealing and aligning everything for smooth, quiet operation. The openers were upgraded to the LiftMaster Elite series, complete with built-in cameras and MyQ smart technology for total control and peace of mind. This wasn't just a cosmetic update, it was a full improvement in function, security, and style. We guarantee expert installation, built with quality you can see. At World of Doors, it's about doing the job right every single time.